Good morning! It's 4:31 a.m. We're on our way downstairs. Kasi nandiyan ang sundo namin for Canyoneering! Let's go!
Yun, binalik na namin pala yung sasakyan kagabi. Susi. Okay.
Cellphone pero may GoPro naman kayo. Yung full battery lang to.
Badian Canyoneering.
I didn't stop it. But it will only take 5 minutes if you would ride on our zipline adventure. Badian activities like trekking, jumping.
We're actually walking now. This is they said 45-minute walk. Pero we're not sure if it's true. We'll check to 7:45 kami nag-start. So we'll see. Sabi nila, if you don't want to walk, mag-zipline ka.
600 nila.
Sino nagsabi?
Yung sa TikTok nakita ko.
Ayan, may mga nagzi-zipline. Sana? Maram? Shaking, guys.
Ha?
Did you shake your knees, go? Wow, the water is so clear.
Darwin. Termindos na po ako sa jumping. Pag tumakan kayo, parang sa jumping area, huwag ang dalawang isip. Pag hindi kaya, may option naman. Yung talon nyo, ganito lang. Hawak sa vest. And then, pag humawak sa ilong nyo, huwag ganyan. Baka matulis yung buko. Ganito lang. Tago na yung ano nyo. Kami na bahala sa inyo, ma'am. Gawin nyo lahat ng best na may kayo. Tapos kayo na din bahala sa inyo. Okay? 3, pingit lang, pingit! It's a prank! Prank lang! Ready ka na, ma'am? Babawi talaga si sir sa'yo, ha? Yan, sir. Kataon mo na to, sir, ha? I-bend mo ko ito yung doon mo, i-bend mo. Yan, hawak sa best. Yan. Hawak sa best. This is Sparta!
Ikaw muna. Sige.
We're done! It's so fun, but it's so tiring. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Mag-canyoneering na rin kayo. Sobrang nice. Grabe yung water. Crystal clear!
Mag-lunch na kami. Free lunch dun sa package na. Kami kumain. Sobrang gutom, di na nagsabi.
Yeah guys, maliligo na kami here. Maligo naman kasi magsalita. guys, we're here na sa accommodation.
Tapos maglalabas kayo mamayang gabi.
We're going to Ayala Central Block. Just chill and roam around.
Kung mas maganda siya sa Ayala Mall Serene.
Of course, look, it's so big. Serene. We're in Cebu. You're thinking about Serene.
So, hintayin namin dito yung tita namin. Dahil kakain kayo mamaya. Magagala-gala muna. Check namin kasi hindi kami nakakapag-mall kasi.
Yeah. We're in the city and we're not going to mall. No way.
In the world.
What?
What in the world? Hanap kami ng salon. Sa bakasyon na, tsaka palang magpapasalon. Tsaka palang magpe-prepare. Middle na ng bakasyon.
Hindi. It's because we're still going to tour tomorrow and yung hair ko dapat maganda. Guys, look. Merong flowers. Yun naman siya, guys. Wow. Nakatingin sa babae. Nakatingin sa babae. I bought this.
Kano?
For only 80 pesos. Forever. Sabrina Carpenter, guys. We're here in the South Parade Studio. Remembrance for Cebu. So this is Cheese Cebu. Wow. Just a remembrance for Cebu trip.
Parang night market. Doon kami magdidin.
This is our last night. Ay, up until tomorrow pa pala. But we're in airport.
Last full night.
Yes, last full night. We're using Google Map again to locate where is the Subbok.
Google Map is our travel buddy. Pag travel kami, tatlo talaga kami.
Google Map, me, and Bali. Oh, this is so bonito. Oh my gosh. Wow. Picture. Here in Cebu Mercado. Maraming food. Grabe guys. So hard to choose.
Beef. Classic beef pepper rice.
This is
Indonesian shrimp. Indonesian yung term niya. Basta Indonesian food siya. Na stir fried rice shrimp.
Hi guys, we're currently here at Midsummer Shaved Ice.
Ano yan?
Let's go.
So, para siyang kinain namin sa Boracay.
Back to the hotel. Hey, where's my bag?
City tour ulit yung bukas. Yung mga hindi namin napuntahan, bukas nang pupunta. Yung area ng pinagsistay namin, para siyang BGC na Cebu. Ito yung IT Park.